Chia seeds have rapidly gained popularity in the health community, and for good reason. Tiny yet powerful, these seeds pack a nutritional punch that is hard to ignore. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can enhance your health in numerous ways, providing essential nutrients and a unique texture to your meals. The best way to consume chia seeds involves preparing them to unlock their full potential. Begin by soaking them in water or your choice of liquid. When you soak chia seeds, they expand, developing a gel-like consistency that can transform any dish. This soaking process usually takes about 15 minutes and results in an easy-to-digest form that your body can readily absorb. Chia seeds can seamlessly blend into various meals throughout the day. In the morning, consider adding soaked chia seeds to your breakfast routine. They make a delightful addition to smoothies, where they provide extra creaminess and protein. Alternatively, stir them into yogurt or oatmeal, creating a delicious and filling meal that keeps you energized. During lunchtime, chia seeds can elevate salads or grain bowls. Sprinkle a tablespoon of chia seeds atop leafy greens, or mix them into a quinoa bowl for added texture and nutrition. Their subtle flavor allows them to enhance dishes without overpowering the primary ingredients, making them a versatile addition. For snacks or desserts, chia seeds shine through in delightful recipes. Create chia seed pudding by combining soaked seeds with your favorite milk and a touch of sweetener. Allow it to thicken overnight in the fridge and awaken to a delicious, healthful treat. Top with fresh fruits, nuts, or spices for variety, and enjoy a guilt-free dessert. Lastly, don't forget about the myriad health benefits these tiny seeds offer. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, chia seeds can help improve digestion, lower cholesterol, and support heart health. In essence, they meld function with fun in the kitchen, making healthy eating enjoyable and uncomplicated. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet is a simple yet effective way to promote better health. With their ability to absorb liquid and their unique texture, these seeds can enhance a variety of dishes. Explore the culinary possibilities and experience the health benefits of chia seeds firsthand. Gaining nutritious energy has never been so easy and enjoyable.